Hey guys, so today is my updated model airplane collection. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. First here we have a Silkair, and I think Garuda and Garuda Indonesia have this collection, this model aircraft, and don't know what company does this. Yeah, give me a minute. Yep, and this is really cheap, and this is the celebrating 25 years of Silkair. Okay, next up here we have the Tiger Air Airbus A320-200. This was bought at the Tiger Air Sky Shop. As you can see, no registration numbers are stated on this aircraft. Next up here we have the Jetstar Airbus A330-300. As you can see here, the registration number is VHEB8, and my camera is not in focus, so really sad for the unclear view. Try to focus it. Okay, next up here we have the Malaysia Airlines Airbus A380-800. As you can see here, Malaysia Airlines. The registration number is very small, FWWAG, and this is like one of the new livery that MAS A380 has to the newer A380 they bought. Next up here we have the Singapore Airlines Airbus A380-800. Yep, the registration number for this is FWWA 9VSKA. Sorry. Next up here we have the Singapore Airlines Boeing 777-300ER. As you can see, there's no registration number, and my parents bought me this when they went to Hong Kong and they was riding the 777. So yeah. So next up here we have the Cessna 172 scale 14200. Yep. And these are like for water aircraft. I think this is a watertight one that goes on water. Okay. There's no registration number for this. So next up here I have another Cessna 172. As you can see, scale 1. Wait, let me do it on focus. Okay, as you can see, it's also scale 14200 stated here. And sorry, this is just the plane, and these wheels compared to this is very different. This is for the land ones, that means it's all on the ground. Yeah. Next up here we have the Scoot Boeing 777-200ER. The registration number is 9VOTC. Yeah. This is the first time zooming in this video, as the registrations are very small. And this is the Jet Airways Boeing 777-200. Let me focus it. If not, I have this. Okay, the registration number is VTGEA. The wheels are not really realistic, as there's one metal thing bobbing out, and the wheel should be black instead of silver. Next up here, we have the Thai Airways Boeing 777-300. Let me focus it. My camera is very distractful. Yeah, here the registration number is HSTAF. Next up here, we have the ANA Boeing 767-300ER. As it's in a box, I'm going to show you what's inside. This is what it looks inside. Yeah, I need to focus it a little bit more. Okay, it's okay. And the registration number is JA8674. Very far. Yeah, JA874. This is my first Phoenix model. As you can see, the front gear is spoiled as a damaged jet. And this is all the model aircraft I have. I am going to give you another quick preview of all the aircraft. This is the ANA 767-300ER. This is the Thai Airways Boeing 777-300. This is the Jet Airways Boeing 777-200. This is the Scoot Boeing 777-300ER. This is the Cessna 172, which is able to work on land. This is the Cessna 172 that works on water. This is the Boeing 777-300ER Singapore Airlines. And this is the Airbus A380-800 Singapore Airlines. This is the Malaysia Airlines Airbus A380-800. This is the Jetstar Airbus A330-300. This is the Tiger Air Airbus A320-200. And this, I don't know what it is, but it's a Silk Air model. Yep, and that wraps up all of my model aircraft. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, follow me on Facebook on Dex Stay With Them, follow me on Instagram on Dex_, and I don't have Twitter. Yeah, so that's all, and goodbye.